Group campsite din bing ba da? Hey. Di ba group sa campsite baga oh.
Oo, tulo lang talaga. Iliman lang sa tree.
Valley Trail. Gay na dito, puro kakawuyan oh. Siyan si Bito? Si Bito yan?
Nabuwal na din yung water flowing down. Hindi pa ako nakapunta sa place. Dati pa nagpasado trail lang. Mataas. Yeah, nag-trail kami dito.
Baba na! Tara na! Ito nga mga nag-trail na oh.
Picturean ka, can you, ano sa camera yung, are you recording me? Yeah, it's recording. This one right here. 2.3 kilometers. You are here.
Each line indicates how far along the trail you are. Each line.
Oh, where can we see it? There's a pole.
Yeah.
We are here, then we can go 1, 2. Oh, that?
No.
Okay,
Oh
let's
yeah,
go.
yeah. To the left tayo, to the left.
To the Are you a good walker?
No, don't go on the mud.
This will be a long walk, ate.
Be. Daw muna di. Bida ko.
You can bring it.
Mabay data bida.
Hi guys. Magkagiagi basang kita sa kagubatan. Have you been here, guys? No. We actually don't need our glasses. It's not sunny. And it's so peaceful in here. Can you help me with? Wait for me. Take a picture. Let's take a picture, guys. No. Mommy will just take a picture, okay? Ooh. Flowers. Just right here. Are you coming? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is nice. Can you put
Ang Tita Bingbing naman. Picture ng Tita Bingbing.
Take Tita Bingbing. We're gonna try here. There too, here too. Here.
Let's go, kuya.
Tita Bingbing.
Dad, why is that a camera?
Yes.
Zoe. Yeah. Look. What? Look right there. There's a camera on there.
See, you know. Dakil pa din kading pininindang ko na panggatong din.
I think someone chopped it down and took it away.
No, they didn't chop it down, kuya.
And why is there a tree trunk?
Oh, because it's already dead.
That's one Daddy. You're recording.
Minsan to di Pilipinas, la nakita linig na. Diri dawa di sinda magpaputol sa kahoy. Ano nga tumbangan? Dasan matutud. Panggatong. Lakamal ka panggatong sad to. Ay maluya man na di ding mapupuka di ko. Apay.
Hindi, alam yung mga panlamit ha. Pang ano.
Mapunit siya pwede, pero pag ikukuha mo san bali, maluya.
Sa mga inuukit.
Kaya mga inuukit dapat so hardwoodan, mga cedar dapat ano. Cedar sa di ama, kisang kuha. Kawoy. Sali so turn out tang kuha. Maalayo pag idatang. So pa letter Y.
Going down.
You can bike here actually. No.
No.
Here, we can.
Ken extreme biker na ikabi amo.
Mountain bike.
Sa di mo na bayad so kuha. Sign idahad to bike.
Oh yeah. Ano yan?
I think what I was there.
Yeah.
Kaya di kaya lang dapat experienced ka.
Binabantang isa, di ba? Na pababa siyang maray. Pero kada ko pwede kang masapod. Bago na nagpaluyo ay.
Ako sa itong salog bing.
Just like going in the river in when mommy was going up.
Bukod talaga ding pang trail ding sapatos kung adi eh. Pag maalnas ba na ako adi nag skateboard.
why you don't always use that? Yeah, that's shoes. That's comfy, right?
Kapag paalbero tatadto ko kuha. Dakan ko sumeral ang magtatamang pang trail. Left baga sad tumapa left.
Lodge poles going there.
Let's go this way. Or let's go this
No, no, what? This way.
It's too hard.
Which one?
This way kasi may loop man siya na hadi ka mong balik. Sadi kita bing.
Yeah, the way.
Here, it's the whispering pine.
Yeah, right there.
Go
Yeah.
straight. Up outside. Then
Para pag ulitan, dito na kitang lodge pole.
that's it. While walking through the swaying pines, imagine the changes that took place over 100 years ago when a vast fire swept through the cypresses. Oh, left
Vital forest. In the absence of fire, consider the modern forest management practices being used in this park. Along this trail, management techniques plays are designed to assist in control of wildfire.
Okay. There was a forest fire here before. So,
Yeah, those trees are used to control the fire.
It's moody.
There was a bit of there was so much rain.
yes, that's why it's flooding. That's a big puddle.
Sadi ka migbike karel kading ugat.
Tultog na.
Buha lang tultog alim mo sadi migkatitiko. Unless gamit mo sa mountain bike na pang extreme. So agad tong sa video mo bing. Pagpapatalo nun sa tubangin.
See, there's a bangin over here.
No, that's Momo. Kuya, close your jacket.
Oh.
Yeah, come here.
It's a raspberry here. Raspberry? Whoa, it's a raspberry.
Oh, it fell.
Oh, I found another one. Wait,
It's not a tomato. Not a tomato.
it's right here.
No, it's not, Kuya. Come on na.
Come on, let's go. No,
I
no,
thought it was a tomato. Berry. Looks like a berry.
Hi. Oh, yeah.
Showing trick.
You're supposed to give them some peanuts or something for that.
Oh, we don't have any. Showing tricks.
I forgot about rice.
Our giants.
Yeah, but did you know I have a school at my house? That's just a toy. What Nemo? No, you just gave it to me at school. Oh. Now which way?
Where's it going down?
This way, of course, Adrian. Is somebody walking to? Nope.
Look where you're going, Kuya.
Then he said, well, Sadie's mentioned quite a few times that she really wants.
Hi.
Hello. She really wants.
Puno to daw nga din pag akon nga din namin na natutulong ka po eh. Takil nga di ato nga palpit ng ito baloy. Nagano sila sa wildlife. Ooh. It's going up.
Is it still recording that?
I don't know.
I don't think it's going. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Oh, good.
Follow our
No, no, no.
I'm just gonna take a picture.
That was a little. That was a little. Was 4 hours or something. Did you hear that thing?
It's a pine. You were trying to eat the pine.
I found something.
Mm.
I wonder what are those? Oh no. I think that's all little onions.
Yes. Underneath the ground.
Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, we should.
What?
We should take a picture.
Oh, there's a bee there. And there's another one there. Everywhere. Let's take a picture. No. Right here. No. They're so nice, Adrian. There's dandelions. They're so nice, Adrian.
There's even wildflower in here.
Ready, 1, 2. Go. Are you joining, Charlie?
Come on,
Come
Joey.
on, Azo.
1, 2, 3.
Ika, Bing. Asan?
Si Bibing, sadi ko si Bibing.
Ako din, sadi din.
Are you going back?
No, we're just gonna stay here. We're gonna wait for them.
The one's taking a picture. That's not.
Tapos ikuha mo.
Wabing, full body, one by one full body.
Oh my. Don't touch these flowers. They might be
One by one whole body, Bing.
plant them, or else the bees won't have food. The other one's over there. Yeah, that one right there.
Those are wildflowers, Kuya. Let's go. Over here.
Oh, this one's. These ones are. So
No, don't touch
tiny.
anything,
Oh,
Kuya,
this
ha?
one's too tiny. Oh, the other one, there's one. There's one, guys. Oh, there's a fire.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Adrian.
Who's gonna lead the way?
Adrian.
Okay.
Pagkakubing pinicturean mo, one by one whole body mo.
Something is bothering me. My shoes. Oh, this one is nice. Here. Right here, Bingo. Right there. Oh, dito. Oh. Dito. May. How about you, Zoe? You take a solo.
Yeah, take a solo. 1, 2, 3. Pretty.
How about you, Ads?
No.
No? Okay,
No?
let's go. How about you, Tita Bing? Okay, ready? Half back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So, where is this going now? I saw a lot more people going in there. Oh,
Yeah, it's gonna go over there, though.
There's no trail going there.
Yeah.
Or maybe
There's a sign over there, you see?
yeah, there is.
The red one.
Oh yeah.
Just follow the trail. Yeah, just follow the trail, Kuya.
there's so many to explore in Cyprus.
Yeah.
You don't need ice cream, these people.
We don't need the. Oh. I think they want to swim.
No, we don't need to go swimming.
We don't need to go bonfire.
Alright? We just go in the cheaper one. No fee.
Oh, ibubugat yun.
Di pa yan saan.
Kaya nan san. San jeep nga nag-edit.
Saan muna ka mga woods ding tapos pa yan ay kadto.
So who wants ice cream then? Not right now. But you know, there's ice cream at the end of this road. It's here.
There's a pine cone.
It's here.
There's one right here.
Born to burn. Fire is a natural element of the lodgepole pine forest. Specially adapted to fire, the lodgepole pine's destiny is to burn. Look on the ground for a tightly sealed cone. Like time capsules, these cones await the heat of a fire to melt